The LG 3400 is LG's most basic washing machine. In this video, you'll learn the best features of the 3400 and how it compares to other popular LG washers. You'll also learn about problems with LG and how it compares to their main competition, Samsung, GE, and Whirlpool. So let's begin. As we said before, the WM3400 is LG's least expensive washing machine, selling between $699 to $849 depending on when you buy it. However, it does have 8 cycles and 6 options, so it is a fully loaded machine. Oddly enough, LG's best feature is its shallow depth. It's shallower by at least 1.5 inches with a depth of only 30.5. This is important especially for stacking laundry in tight spaces like closets. Yet its internal capacity is still large at 4.5 cubic feet. Now let's compare the 3400 to other LG washers. The next tier of LG models are $899 to $1099 and offer steam to power out tough stains like grass and red wine, and also offer Wi-Fi so you control your washer from an app on your phone, along with more cycles designed to remove allergens. LG's best models are priced at $999 to $1199, offer even more cycles, as well as Turbo Wash, which features an additional 6 high-pressure spray heads to shorten any cycle to 20 minutes. In some of LG's best models, they offer more capacity from 4.5 to 5 cubic foot, with the largest being 5.8 cubic feet. LG has been reliable since we started publishing reliability reports. It requires service only about 7.7% of the time, or almost half the industry average for appliances, and only slightly behind Samsung, GE, and Whirlpool for washers. The problem with LG is finding service when there is a problem, so it's important to inquire about service before you buy an LG washing machine. How does LG compare to other brands? LG is reliable, however, it is not at the forefront of technology anymore. GE and Whirlpool will offer an automatic multi-load detergent dispenser. Normally you would think this is a gimmick, but an auto dispenser dispenses the right amount of detergent at the right time. In front loads, people tend to put too much detergent in, like a top load washer. In a front load, you only need a capful. That over-sudsing will end up inside the machine and slowly seize the motor. Auto dispensers prevent all that. GE also offers antimicrobial microban coating and a fan inside the washer to dry water and prevent mold. Should you buy the LG? Yes, you should definitely consider an LG washer. It is the easiest to stack, it is consistently a reliable product. But make sure you know who will service your machine before you buy it. At the same time, you should also consider other washers from GE, Samsung, Whirlpool, and other LG machines as well, with more updated features. For more information, click the link at the end of the video to download our free washer buying guide.